Ladies and gentlemen, Digital India has been 40 years in the making, and we're fortunate to have had a ringside view of Mr. C.P. Gurnani's numerous contributions to it. The Lifetime Achievement Award goes to Mr. C.P. Gurnani.
Absolutely delighted that today the first Lifetime Achievement Award will be conferred on Mr. C.P. Gurnani. My association with CP, as we all call him, is over 2 decades. Over the many years that we have worked together, we have learned from him, and I personally have had the pleasure of working with him across many organizations. He's someone who leads from the front and retains his very famous killer selling spirit, and I know how he inspires his team in doing that. He loves the fight even now with competition, of course, and a never say no attitude. He does respect relationships a lot and he invests deeply in that. And he does touch people in an unprecedented way when he connects with them and he continues the relationships. I congratulate you, CP, on this very well deserved honor and wish you all the best here onwards onto your journey that is still continuing and impacting many more people.
Karan, like you mentioned, so delighted, CP, that the first Lifetime Achievement Award is being conferred on Mr. CP Gurnani. And, I was saying this to CP a few days ago, and CP hold me to it. But I was saying that, just the plethora or the depth of knowledge that you bring to all of us, it's an honor to interact with you every time. And I don't think there could have been anyone better to actually get conferred with this award than Mr. CP Gurnani. So congratulations for that, CP. And also congratulations to all the other recipients of the CEO's Choice Awards. What a phenomenal job. And my congratulations to all of you.
India could not afford mainframes, and it was his work with NIC that made HCL mini computers the first scale-deployed multi-user systems ubiquitous in government projects at the time. Even today, he continues to lead Digital India's growth story from the forefront with strategic projects on various smart cities, GST, and so on. Many congratulations, Mr. Gurnani. A big round of applause, please.
CP has been everybody's guru. हम तो बहुत बच्चे थे इनके सामने IT इंडस्ट्री में. So my first encounter with CP Gurnani was because of NIC. NIC those days was led by.
And you have to blame Vijay for that.
No, not Vijay. There was a gentleman before Vijay called Dr. N. Sheshagiri. Now N. Sheshagiri was South Indian, of course, was Vijay, but Dr. N. Sheshagiri was a South Indian. And he loved to buy PCs and computers only from Shiva Sankaran. I'm not saying there's something wrong with buying computers from South Indians, but when 90% market share is there, then it's the apple, the price that HCL, PCL, everyone is looking at, that how do I get a piece of that? So Ajay Chaudhary, I think, was in HCL then. He deputed Mr. CP Gurnani as head of HCL in Delhi, sales head. One of the things he was doing was to crack NIC. How do you get a foot, break Shiva Sankaran's stronghold and get into NIC? And from PCL side, that task was given to a lowly person called Samir Kochar, which was me. I was only a sales executive, so I do not even want to get into a comparative. And he won, obviously. Hands down, he won. What he did was, there was this, largest tender of the industry. At that time for 80386 processors, I don't know how much you remember that. At NIC had this thing of benchmarking everything, and they had their own operating system called NIC Unix, which I don't believe for a minute was theirs. And so, whatever you sell them was supposed to be benchmarked on that. And peculiarly enough, on this 80386, they were checking the speed of the serial port, which is a global standard. But with that driver and a particular motherboard, that serial port worked very well. I mean, there must have been an application, of course, for that. So we thought कि ये तो गया, ना HCL को मिलेगा ना PCL को मिलेगा. So there was an IAS officer which was working in NIC then. I would not name the gentleman. Gurnani became good friends with him. We also tried to become friendly with him. But his approach was different and my approach was. We were like the whistleblowers कि सर क्या हो रहा है, ये हो रहा है, हम मर गए, you know. एक ही कंपनी को सब जा रहा है, ऐसे de-risk करने का है. Gurnani साहब goes, meets Shiva Shankar in a 5-star hotel and cuts a deal. इसे आधा कर लेते हैं. And he bought motherboards of Shiva Sankaran, which was an audacious act because he told Shiva Sankaran that Shiv Nadar had sent him. Shiv Nadar did not even know that Gurnani existed at that time.
नीलम प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर थी.
Nilam ko bhi kisi ko nahi pata. This sales guy, you know, that's why you call him Cat's Whiskers, goes and cuts a deal with the owner of a company who's a monopoly in NIC to buy motherboards of him. And then, you know, so rest of the history, it was not really a cartelization because they were buying motherboards and they were getting good value, etc., etc. But to narrate this story, there was a guy, my boss those days, called Manoj Kumar Bagi, who used to stay in Lajpat Nagar. His daughter's birthday, Mr. Gurnani was called. Although Mr. Bagi wanted to just cozy up with him because, you know, he was coming up. So we were called as good audience. You tell my team the story of, you know, how you cracked NIC because my team is great. So he came and told us that story.
So I can only say that I'm happy that I am today sharing this stage with the creator of modern India, Amitabh Kant. I mean, I don't know whether Dr. Dev Roy speaks economics or not, but he definitely speaks great English. So thank you very much, sir, for all the lessons in English today. And, you know, Samir Kochar, you know, again, I don't know whether he is practicing inclusive India or he is taking history lessons. But thank you for reminding me. And, and so all I can tell you is that, you know, a lot of people out here, you know, I've grown up with. You reminded me of Neelam. Industry knows us as best friends, but they've never seen us talking to each other because they've only seen us talking at each other. So we continue to fight, but we are like siblings who ultimately stand by each other. Ajay clearly is a mentor, he is a brother, he has been a mentor to almost 1/3 of the people in this room. And in a lot of ways, he has clearly, in my opinion, created the majority of us in the Indian IT industry. So thank you, Ajay, for being there, for being the mentor. And I'm happy that Scotch has done more than serving Scotch. I'm happy that he has a sobering influence in Manisha. And I'm very, very happy when I meet the children, both the boys. I mean, they clearly are better versions of Samir. So congratulations for the better versions. And I am delighted that this Lifetime Achievement Award is not to superannuate me. And it is only to recognize my 141,000 associates at Tech Mahindra. So thank you again, Harsh. Thank you, Jagdish, for representing people who could not be present here. As everybody knows that I was not the rolling stone of this industry. I have had only 2 careers. One is HCL and one is Mahindra's. One of my mentors, my clients, and a very, very dear friend, Dr. Vijay Aditya, is here. And again, thank you, Vijay, for being here. Person I'm definitely missing is my wife, Annu. She happens to be with her parents in California. But I know she would have been happiest because she finally decided, or she has now learned that I did something right because I got an award here. So thank you, guys, and thank you for conveying this message to Annu. And again, thank you, everybody. It's been good fun so far, and I'm not fading away. whatever you guys may decide my lifetime achievement. So I am going to be here and I am going to serve all of you and Tech Mahindra. Thank you.
Just say that I want to congratulate all the winners of this award. Very prestigious Koch Award. Great event put up by Samir and his brilliant sons. So all the best. You know, my really great wishes to all the people who've done so much for this country. And I really want to congratulate. It's a great pleasure and an honor for me to give the award to Mr. Gurnani. You know, I've been a great admirer of his. If anybody in this country deserves the Lifetime Award, it's Mr. Gurnani for his really outstanding service. If Tech Mahindra is what it is because of his unique contribution to this company. So he's unique, he's full of energy, full of vibrancy, full of dynamism, and he gets youthful by the year. So all the best to Mr. Gurnani, and I'm sure that he'll get many, many, many more Lifetime Achievement Awards in the years to come, and he'll keep getting younger by the day. So all the best to Mr. Gurnani.